No matter if you're in a relationship or single, there are times in everybody's life where you could use a little bit of help with your sex life or relationship, where you can use an expert, like me. My name is Dr. Rossana Sida, and I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist and ASEX certified sex therapist in West Los Angeles. I know talking about sex and love can be really scary. So it's my goal in every session to make sure my clients feel comfortable and safe sharing anything and everything that they want to. And I do this by having a sex positive outlook, keeping an open mind, a non-judgmental stance, and always putting myself in my client's shoes. My style of therapy is what's called collaborative. So my sessions often look like a conversation, but a conversation where I'm really trying to get to know you, and I'm really trying to get to the root problem issues and behaviors. And ultimately, where I know that you are the expert in your own life, not me, you. And it's my job to use my education, training, and experience to work together with you to find solutions to those problems and help you reach your goals.